Since we are familiar with Java, its features and history now, we are ready to start coding. But wait, where we are going to code? How to start coding in Java? These questions will be answered in this video. We will learn now how to set up Java. We need JDK, Java Development Kit, to compile and execute our programs. So, first download and install JDK from Oracle website. Let's download JDK 1.8 for now. Once this is installed, we need to perform a quick step to set up the JDK path. This is how we need to do. Right click on this PC and select properties. If you could not find this PC, that's okay. You can navigate to this screen via control panel also. Now select advanced system settings and find environment variables in the bottom. Under system variables, find path and click on add new. Now copy and paste the location of installed JDK till bin folder and click on OK. Now to check if Java is installed properly, then go to command prompt and execute Java. If you see results like this, then you are good to go. Congratulations! If you face any problem or didn't see the results as expected, then you can mention below in comments and I will help you out.